Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about one quick tip if you want to instantly boost your open and click-through rates. They are crazy important because without somebody opening your email and clicking on the email, they cannot see what you've got and they're not going to buy from you. So specifically, if you are new to email marketing, this is very, very important. 9 out of 10 times, your emails are going to be landing in spam if you are new to email marketing. Now, falsely, people believe that it's because of subject lines, like, oh, I had a spammy subject lines. But actually, that is not true. The real underlying reason why this is happening is because your email address has not been warmed up yet. What does that mean? If your email address has not been warmed up, providers such as Google or Yahoo or Hotmail do not believe that you are the real deal. And so they're automatically just putting your emails into spam because there is no history of your email having been sending emails yet, okay? So do not worry if you have this problem that you've got low open rates and low click-through rates. Most probably you just have to warm up your email, okay? And this is how you're gonna do that. You're gonna open an account with a provider such as Warmy. There are many other tools out there. I specifically like Warmy. You can get a 7-day free trial by clicking on the link below, but there is many other providers and the principles are the same. They are actually going to train Google and Yahoo and Hotmail on your behalf that you are the real deal. So what's going to happen when you open this account is that you're actually going to give them permission to be sending and warming up emails on your behalf. What it means is that they're going to be sending a bunch of emails to Gmail addresses and to Yahoo email addresses and to Hotmail email addresses, all of the other ones that they control. And every time an email lands in spam, they will manually mark it as important, first of all, and second, they will respond to it. So there will be all of these bunch of conversations going on. Now, do not worry, it's not gonna flood your inbox because it will automatically, on your behalf, go to archived emails. So this process gets kicked off automatically as soon as you sign up. And then it takes about 30 to 60 days for your email tool to be completely warmed up, giving signal to all these other providers that you are the real deal and you're going to start land in the main inbox and therefore your open and click-through rates will just skyrocket. Now, we had this problem for a long time that we essentially switched email tools. We were going from MailChimp to ActiveCampaign thinking that we don't have to do this warm up anymore. And for a little while, we just had very poor open and click-through rates. Unfortunately, it took us months before we realized that actually we have to warm up our email address once again. And so it wasn't until we got this tool that actually we started to land in people's real inboxes and our emails started to open and be clicked at. Without your email being warmed up, like you can have the best content, you can have the best subject lines, you can have the hottest audience who is ready to buy everything you got, but without warming up your email is going to be landing in spam and you're going to be selling anything, period. So guys, do comment below, let me know what is your open and click-through rate right now and what is it that you wanted to get to. Leave me a comment below. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to respond to each and every one of you. So leave me a comment below. I'll see you in the comments and I'll talk to you soon.